Do you love dogs? Are you a dog owner, breeder, or lover who's run into health problems with your dogs? Are you? There's some dogs right there. Are you someone who did all your homework, asked all the questions about health issues, health testing, health screening, and still ran into health problems with your dogs? Are you somebody who has read, taken courses, listened to all the experts about outcrossing or crossbreeding, or done all of these things to either buy a healthy dog or breed a healthy dog? I haven't crossbred, but I've been through a lot of those things. Have you run into problems and then you try to talk to other people and you're either blamed, or you have people telling you they've never seen that problem before in the breed of dog, and yet you're brand new to the breed, and so you didn't really have anything to do with the problem that you ended up running into? I've had all of those things happen to me. Have you gotten on a breed group or in a discussion with veterinarians or health people, and they say, oh, just eliminate the problem and all the dogs will be healthy, and you're like, I'm doing this in the real world and it's not working the way y'all are saying it's supposed to work. It's not. I don't think that means what you think it means. And the thing is, and then you get onto a list and people go, oh, you just have to do the health testing and you have to show your dogs and then you'll be a responsible breeder and everything, and you're terrible and I'm perfect, and they end up telling you, the conversation dissolves and evolves into them telling you need to take a course in genetics. Well, here's the thing. I've taken all the courses in genetics. I teach the courses in genetics. I'm a board certified genetic counselor since 1996, trained at Sarah Lawrence College in New York. It's a very special profession that we have in human medicine. So in human medicine, we know if you have a heart problem, you see a cardiologist. If you have a neurological problem, you see a neurologist. And if you have a genetic problem and you're worried about what the inheritance is there a gene that caused it, is there a way to decrease the risk of the problem, you see geneticist or genetic counselor. That's me. So unfortunately in dogs, we haven't really had that. And we have a lot of people that focus on doing health testing, but we're not really eliminating the health issues in our breeds. We have many breeds with cancers, cardiomyopathies, arrhythmias, epilepsy, stringomylia, kidney problems, liver problems, autoimmune disease, all of these problems. And we're left trying to figure out, how do we do this? And people will tell you, oh, if you outcross or you breed for a low COI, your dogs will be healthier. If you do that, you'll find, well, maybe, but no, you probably, if you do an outcross, you're probably going to run into a problem you've never seen before in your breeding program. And that's because a lot of the conditions that we have in dogs are dominant with decreased penetrance. That means the dog is fine, they have the gene, they produce it in their puppies. Pretty simple. It's very, very common in real world genetics. Problem is we don't really speak real world genetics in dogs. We don't have any official training. We don't have any official background. It's basically breeders who have, some of them, tried to figure it out the right way. Veterinarians whose background isn't in genetics, who, do what makes sense to them and say, well, if it's a problem, don't breed it, don't breed its relatives. But we know, if we intuitively know in our closed gene pools, that doesn't work either. So I have shown and bred Briards since 1997. I've been a genetic counselor since 1996, and I'm here to bring you DogGenes, which is to help owners, breeders, lovers understand the true principles of medical genetics, clinical genetics, as we apply them in human medicine, and use that information to apply it to breed healthier dogs. I'll have some blogs, courses, articles, references, some webinars, and I'm happy to do individual consults. Please check out my website, DogGenes, DOGGENES.com, and my name is Martine Gould, and I'd love to work with you.